Hey guys, this is Scott with Off-Grid Stoves and More. I just wanted to introduce myself for all you out there that have Rika pellet stoves or Austroflamm pellet stoves. I'm going to be making all kinds of videos. We're the parts distributor for those hard to find parts. You know, we have parts for the PREMIOs, the VISIOs, the INTEGRA 1s, the INTEGRA 2s, wood stoves, the Esprit, the Taurus, the Viva. Anyhow, our phone number, if you have any questions, we're here to help. 800-348-1021, or you can email us your questions at offgridstoves with an S at gmail.com. More than happy to hook you up with whatever you need. Fans, motors, snap discs, glass, doors, gaskets, you name it, we got it. We pretty much have just about every stove that you could think of sitting around here waiting to be, we got the VISIO, got an INTEGRA 1, we've got PREMIOs, INTEGRA 2s, Esprits, Vivas, they're all sitting here ready to roll. What we do is we put them back to factory new. All we're really interested in is the bodies. Have them sandblasted, repainted, and then we put all new parts throughout. If the wiring harnesses are good, we'll normally still use the same wiring harness. Otherwise, if they're not, then we make our own wiring harnesses here. As for parts, you know, you name it, we got it. If we don't have it, then it's going to be very hard to find it out there, you know, sitting on somebody's shelf. Anyhow, Rikas and Austroflamms, if you don't know already, are no longer being imported. And hopefully one day we will see Austroflamm or Rikas back in the United States, but at this time it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Not unless somebody wants to invest some serious money. But keep a lookout for our videos. We're going to have videos on anything and everything. The reason why we're doing this is because not only are we the parts distributor, we can help you find anything that you need to keep you warm throughout the winter, cold nights. But also, a lot of people call us with questions in regards to, you know, simple things is how to clean the stove. You know, which gaskets affect the stove in a negative manner to where it'll malfunction. So all these videos, what they're going to do is they're going to help you get into the stove, going to teach you how to swap components, and also troubleshoot. You know, obviously the INTEGRA 2 pellet stove is a lot easier to troubleshoot. If you have a 1.42 control board or newer, if you have older than that, then your stove won't give you an error code. But you can pretty much call us anytime and we can talk with you over the phone, hear what the symptoms are, and pretty much diagnose it right then and there. But yeah, we're here to help. You need it, we got it. Again, offgridstovesandmore.com, 800-348-1021. Email again, offgridstoves@gmail.com. Go Cowboys.